In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Google Forms. Bolding text in Google Forms is a simple way to make key information stand out, whether it's your form title or important instructions. Let's walk through it together so you can do it confidently and quickly. First, open Google Forms in your web browser. You can start from a fresh tab and head to the Forms homepage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you may be prompted to sign in before continuing. Once you're in, you'll land on the Forms start page where you can begin creating or customizing a form. Next, look for the template gallery at the top of the page and click it. The gallery expands to show a variety of ready-made templates for common use cases like event feedback, contact information, and more. Using a template is helpful because it gives you a structure to work from, and you can immediately see where titles and descriptions appear. If the gallery looks collapsed, try scrolling to the top. It's usually right there in the header. Choose a template that fits your needs and click it to open the form editor. This takes you directly into the editing view where you can adjust content and formatting. You'll see the form title at the top center of the page. Click into that title field so the cursor appears, then highlight the exact text you want to make bold. You can drag across the text with your mouse or use shortcuts like double-clicking to select a word or pressing Command+A on a Mac or Control+A on Windows to select all the text in that field. With the text highlighted, look just below the title field for the small formatting toolbar. Click the B icon to apply bold. As soon as you do, the selected text becomes thicker and more pronounced. If the B button looks inactive, make sure your text is still highlighted or that your cursor is inside the title field. You can click again to remove bold if you change your mind. Bold is a toggle, so one click turns it on and another turns it off. Keyboard shortcuts like Command+B on Mac or Control+B on Windows also work if you prefer. That's all it takes. You've successfully bolded text in Google Forms. Remember, this same approach works anywhere you can edit text within the form, such as section headers or descriptions, so you can guide attention exactly where it matters. Keep your formatting consistent and purposeful, and your form will be easier to read and more professional.